Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful Teacher's Day gift. Isn't it looking very nice? Let's get started. First I'm taking this plastic sheet. So I'm going to make purple acrylic color using pink and glue. So now I have made the purple shade. Now I'm taking this white A4 size sheet. Take the paint and dip the brush in little water and start spreading it like this. Now I'm taking blue shade. I'm just dipping the brush in water. Like this. Similarly, I'm going to make 2 more. So total 3. So this is done now. Let it get dried completely for some time. So now it's completely dry and now I'm going to start making the pot using my pencil. Now I'm going to start painting this using acrylic colors. So first I'm taking black acrylic color. And this brush. Now I'll just make a border. I added white acrylic color and mixed it to form such kind of effect. I'm doing the same thing for the neck and also for the right hand side. For the ribbon, I'm using yellow acrylic color and I'm making border using black and also polka dots using a square stick. Now I have made the mandala grid lines. So if you want to learn how to make this, then link is there in the description box. You can check there. Now I'm taking my black gel pen and I will start making the mandala design. The designs are of your choice. You can make any design you want. Now I'm using a black sketch pen and for the dots I'm using whitener. So now it's done. Now I'm taking my black gel pen and I will make the stems of the flowers. Now I'm going to write the quote Happy Teacher's Day. I have already written it with pencil and now I will write it using black gel pen. Now to give a calligraphy effect, I am taking my black sketch pen and I am going to highlight the ones in which it's going down like this. to make some scrolls using my black gel pen like this. And it's done. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click on bell button and select all option. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye.